Do you ever feel like there's some months where life could get so chaotic? So chaotic that you feel like you might end up blowing your grocery budget? I get it. We got the unexpected news that we needed to move out of our home in 30 days. So between finding a new home, packing up the old home, cleaning the old home, cleaning the new home, moving into the new home, unpacking the new home, and dealing with severe carpal tunnel pain in my wrist, we were still able to stay under in our grocery budget and see a savings of $200. I am breaking down our 3 grocery hauls of the new year, and these were at the bulk stores. Even though we have our extended pantry, I was still able to focus on convenience, pantry stocking, and meal prep. Are you ready to start saving? Aprons on, let's go. The first week in January, I shopped at Costco. I was looking for moving essentials and pantry restocking. They did have some really good deals going on. I did pick up 2 meals that are convenient for quick eating during this whole crazy process. I am planning on making some make-ahead meals. I just wanted some help too. So I grabbed their chicken Alfredo. It's delicious, you guys. And then the mac and cheese. It's way good. The Chobani less sugar Greek yogurt was on sale. There are 16 cups. We have ripe strawberry, Madagascar vanilla and cinnamon, wild blueberry and harvest raspberry. And I love having these in the morning with some granola in it. I picked up some Carb Balance flour tortillas. The Emalu chicken breakfast sausage links were on sale. We love these, and for that price, I was like, yes, let's grab it. All right, we grabbed some extra large black garbage bags. There are 90 33-gallon bags in there, and we'll be using that for the move, cleaning up the yards, all that fun stuff. And then another box of vinegar. We use this in our laundry and cooking. So this has 2 1-gallon bottles. We needed more ibuprofen, so 2 bottles of the Kirkland brand. Derek picked up some chocolate milk, the Dairy Gold Old Fashioned chocolate milk. Yum. I did grab the Laughing Cow cheese wedges. I love when these go on sale. You can't get that price in the grocery store. You just can't, even when they're on sale. Such a good deal. I grabbed Scotch Brite Zero Scratch scrub sponges. That's hard to say. There are 24 in this pack, and the price blew out Walmart by a ton, and we'll be using a lot cleaning the new home and cleaning this house, getting out. I just bought in my last Costco haul the Millet and Brown rice ramen, but it's on sale right now, and I wanted to get another bag. And we needed more milk. We grabbed the Kirkland organic lactose-free milk. There are 4 half-gallons. Then there's Ziplocs were on sale. Perfect timing. I'm down to my last box in storage of the sandwich, and this has 4 boxes of the sandwich in there. And then the gallon freezer bags, we're down to 1 more on the shelf as well, actually. This has 4 boxes in it as well. So that was a really good deal. And we grabbed more toilet paper, and this has 30 rolls. And we grabbed more paper towels. This has 12 rolls in it. We picked up for the refrigerator in the new home a Brita water filter. It doesn't have like a water on the outside of the door, water or ice. It does have an ice maker in there, but not on the outside of the door. The Brita was on sale. It comes with 2 filters, and the filters are on sale. We didn't grab those yet. We did just get this for right now, so we'll put that in the fridge. Paper plates and bowls. We just ran out from the holidays, and I'm packing up the kitchen this weekend, and I don't want to keep having everyone like using the dishes, and that way I could pack up the kitchen and not worry about dirty dishes. So as you can see, the haul came to $246.66. Now, with the instant savings sales that Costco was having, they said I saved $41.65, which is great, right? Especially if Costco was the only store I ever shopped at. And this is where one of my biggest tips I share with you is compare prices across the stores in your area, especially to the lowest price store. So my savings really just wasn't $41.65. On this haul, I saved over double. I actually saved $88.99. The paper bowls, I actually saved $11.97. That's big. The Brita, I actually saved $9.99. The gallon Ziploc bags was a huge savings, $14.20. That is a ton of money. The sandwich bags, great savings too, $12.71. The sponges saved $6.96. The Laughing Cow cheese, I love when it's on sale like this on the bulk stores. You always get a better deal in the grocery store. I actually saved $9.40. The Chobani yogurt was a great savings. With the sale of making them $7.99, there are 16 cups in there. So that makes each cup of yogurt pretty much 50 cents, like 0.499. But if I wanted to go to the grocery store and buy them individually, Walmart was my best bet. I can get them there for $1.22 each. But I got them for 50 cents each. So I saved 72 cents on each of them. So in total, I saved $9.99. That is huge savings. So as you can see, the Costco haul got us through a lot of that beginning chaos. The pre-made meals helped hold us over until I made some make-ahead meals. And I did that later, like I think the next week. And all of these make-ahead meals that I did, I shopped my shelves for. I already had all the ingredients. Shopped my freezers, my shelves, my fridge. I made things like shepherd's pie, meatloaf, lasagna, and I didn't even have to cook the noodles. Yeah, I have a video about that. I'll leave the link for you down below. And some other yummy options. A video is coming up about it. So with just moving into the home and things were still chaotic and in boxes, I still had pantry things strewn across the house because you just wait, my pantry is smaller than my last one. So challenge accepted. You'll be seeing that soon. So 5 days after we moved into the home, it was time to go shopping for some fresh produce and ingredients to make more meals coming up. We did our second haul at Sam's Club. I bought actually 2 packages of romaine and left one there because my last Sam's Club haul, I forgot to pay for the romaine. So I scanned one, so I'm no longer a shoplifter. So romaine hearts, and there is a 6 count. Some Honey Nut Cheerios, 2 boxes, blueberries. I didn't get strawberries this time because they were like $3.11 a pound. I was like, I'll wait. I picked up the dogs some beef jerky dog treats. It's their brand, the Members Mark, so they're gonna try those out. Their wavy potato chips, and theirs was a better deal. It's always like $2.98, and they had the Lay's brand of wavy on sale for like $3 something, but I'm like, I picked up Shaylee for school for Valentine's Day, the Fun Dip packages. There's 60 in there, so she has enough for school and friends outside of school. The organic coconut crispy rolls were on sale. Oh, these are so good. These are delicious. So they are gluten-free and so addicting. From Nutri-Trail, they had on sale the nut granola. I haven't tried this one yet. It's the cinnamon pecan, sweet and crunchy. I love the blueberry one. Actually, Costco has it on sale right now, so I do want to head over to Costco. This is gluten-free. I bet it's delicious. I'm super excited to try this. And then a package of green peppers. There are 6 in there. And then a 3-pound bag of zucchini. Yum. I want to do some zucchini boats. We were down to our last 2 onions, so another big bag. A 5-pound bag of mandarin oranges, and the pesto was on sale, which was great because I just used my last jar on my shelf and all the ones that I had froze because I like to get these in portion amount and freeze them. So we were all out. And then half and half, we're going to be making our clam chowder. Yum. The Cascade Total Clean. There are 95 packs in here, and it was such a great deal. It was on sale. 3 of the English cucumbers, a package of celery sticks, 2 of the uncured Black Forest ham. We are just now finishing off the last one that we froze the last time I bought some, so we'll have one in the fridge and one in the freezer. Eggs, and eggs are insane right now. They had the 5 dozen I like to usually get, but it was like $24. I don't want to pay that, so I got 2 of the 18. I do have a good bit left of eggs in my fridge, so I was like, it's fine. Bananas. I am not big about getting my bananas at the bulk stores, so I'm gonna test out Sam's Clubs again. And I forgot to bring out, I did buy Dixie plates, the big size, the 10-inch plates. They were on sale. Yes, I just bought paper plates at Costco, but I used a lot of paper plates when packing, and this was a great deal, so I snagged more. So this is the first grocery haul in the new home. And there was one thing that we did get for the house. We picked up this beautiful 8x10 carpet. We have gray and like blue furniture. So I wanted to find something neutral that would tie everything in and save the carpet from all the rough traffic in this area. Man, we were searching all over for carpets in this size that wouldn't break the bank. We saw prices like between $300 to $400, and we didn't want to spend that. So the haul came to $288.88. So with their instant store savings, they said I saved $16.25. But with comparing prices, my real savings was $76.11. But it felt so good to have the fresh fruits and vegetables in the home and to grab that rug for a good price. I actually saved $30. So that was a complete win for us. I saved big time on the new trail, $11.56. Yeah, it's spendy, that granola, but it is so good. The pesto, I saved $3. That's big. With the Cascade tabs, I actually saved $10.96. That is huge. With egg prices still soaring, I saved $7.22. Our last haul brings us back to Costco. And this haul was made the last week of the month. And let me just tell you, by this time, my carpal tunnel in my wrists was at its highest. I was so inflamed and it hurt so bad that when I was in Costco, I was pushing my cart with my arms. It hurt so bad. But I ran out of what I usually take to help me out, and it was a turmeric, a liquid turmeric. So I went there like gunning for the turmeric. Also, I was like, let's go pick up some more convenient items. We're down to the last of our make-ahead meals, and let's get some pre-made meals ready to go so we can unpack, settle in, and not worry so much about cooking. But buying foods like that can break your budget. But we know it didn't, so let's see what I got. All right, we were all out of the Pecorino Romano cheese. I am going to divide this and freeze one half. We needed more of the liquid turmeric, and it is so good with inflammation, enhanced absorption. So it supports healthy inflammation responses, and it has been helping me with my carpal tunnel. And I grabbed some new kitchen towels. These are by Core Kitchen. It's an 8-pack, and they looked so pretty. Look at these colors. I wanted to try this gluten-free bread. Let me know if you've tried it. It's bee-free, gluten-free, white loaf, wheat-free, dairy-free. I used the Yuka app to see like what it thought of it, and it gave an excellent. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna try it. Some frozen broccoli florets. There are 4 bags in there. More of the Milton's crispy sea salt crackers. I just finished off the last that we bought during the holiday season. They're so good. Oh, and they also had a ranch flavored there, but I thought maybe the next time I'm in Walmart or somewhere and I could try a smaller bag of it and see if I like it. And of course, I had to get the New Trail nut granola, blueberry cinnamon. It's so yummy. In fact, I didn't even recognize it the first time I was at Costco because they changed their bag. It looks different. And this was also on sale. Oh yeah, it is delicious. I love having it just as a snack. I'll even eat it as a cereal. I put it in my yogurt. And I did try the one that I got from Sam's Club, you guys. It is delicious. So good. More of the Orgain plant protein chocolate shakes. They weren't on sale at all this month. I was shocked because a lot of these drinks go on sale in January. A lot of them were at Costco except this one, of course. It has 20 grams of protein, 50 superfoods. There are 18 in there. It's delicious, you guys. So my carpal tunnel is on fire, you guys. I have some of the freezer meals that I made before we left still available, but the Milton's roasted vegetable cauliflower crust pizza was on sale. There are 2 pizzas in there, and it was a good deal. So I made this for dinner. I couldn't even push my cart. My carpal tunnel hurt so bad. So I was like, I'm bringing home dinner. So we still have 1 pizza left in this box and another in this box. And this is the Kirkland Supreme cauliflower crust pizza. It's also, also gluten-free. And so we did the Supreme and the veggie pizza, and it was so good. I grabbed a big container of cottage cheese. I have a few recipes this week that I would like to use it in, and Shaylee loves having it with her school lunch with her blueberries. And I did get strawberries at Costco because they were cheaper. 2 pounds of strawberries, and they look gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, they look so pretty. Some red seedless grapes. They're not the price I like to pay. Of course, they're not in season right now, but they looked good. I hope they're good. I love having grapes, my crackers with salami and some cheese for lunch. I have like a mini charcuterie board at least 4 times a week. So this is the Columbus Italian dry salami. It's a 2-pack. One will go in the freezer, and then I will freeze another half and have this half out. And then pepperoni, because we're going to do some homemade pizzas, so we need pepperoni. These are the lemon raspberry muffins, and they have a crumble on top. And I ate one on the ride home, and it is so good. Look at that. Oh, they are delicious. So good. And this is blueberries in cream. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try one of those. Yum. And they had the sampler people out, and they got me with this one. This is so Baba crunchy glazed chicken, sweet and savory glaze, Korean style. Oh my gosh. It was delicious. So good. So I thought, oh, this will be a yummy meal to have. We can have it with rice and some veggies, you know, with all the veggies that I bought. I used to buy this, the vegetable yakisoba, if that's how you pronounce it, Japanese styled stir-fried noodles with crisp vegetables in a savory sauce. I used to buy these a lot. I thought that would be really yummy, maybe with this for one night for dinner. Something easy, because like I said, my carpal tunnel is on fire. So the haul came to $233.14. They claimed I saved $13.50. But in all, I really saved $49.70. Again, the big savings in this Costco haul was that new trail granola. I saved $15.99. The shakes, even though they weren't on sale, compared to where I can get them other places around here, I did still save. I saved $7.40. The salami, I saved $12.92. That's big. And the pepperoni, I saved $6.47. So here's how the numbers look. My budget for the month was $800. The total of the 3 hauls came to $757.68. That left me under budget with $42.32. While the 2 stores said I saved in all $71.40, I actually saved $214.80. That's awesome. I would have to say with all 3 of those hauls, it set us up like perfectly with still being among the chaos and setting us up for February. We hardly ate out at all during this move. There was one time we grabbed Popeye's chicken, and on the big day of everyone helping us move into the home, we ordered Domino's pizza. When it comes to things like that, that's pulled from a different budget for us. That is more like our fun, entertaining budget. So that's where it came from. But still, with the savings that I had of 42 something, it paid for the Popeye's chicken, right? So we did great amongst all the chaos. So how can this help you? 1, plan for convenience when life gets busy, but find a way to do it and stay in budget. So for me, this is with pre-made meals. It saved me a whole lot with going with my carpal tunnel. And with all the chaos of running around, moving and unpacking, we had meals ready to go in the freezer and fridge. 2, we still stocked up during the sales. We know our go-to items. We know if we bought them now, it's gonna save us later when we wanna shop our shelves. We're not paying full price. 3, we still compared our prices and unit prices with the stores in our area. Yes, it takes a lot of brain work, but you get used to this. Track them. I track them in our Know Before You Go grocery price book. It's a quick glance. But after you've been doing this for a while, like I have, you start remembering prices. So when you're in the store and you don't have it with you, you know when a sale is a sale. And 4, we use the strategy of making make-ahead meals. Taking a day to make these meals saved us for buying more takeout. Like I said, we hardly went and bought takeout. By making these make-ahead meals, having things ready in your freezer, it helps when life all of a sudden jumps into chaos. So if you feel like right now you're in a little bit of chaos and want some more help, check out these videos here. And if you want to get further into saving on your groceries, check out this video here where I share all my strategies on how you can save at the grocery store. I'll meet you over there. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.